Hello, hello, hello. So now sound should through. Welcome to another stream. Quickly post here. Oh, I see myself. Haha. There's sound. Oh, I see myself. Haha. Yes. Okay. It's a bit of a strange feeling since this is always like a week. Always like a week of not working on the project. And then on Monday, when like, yeah, or after a full week, and then on Monday again working on the project, it's like, wait, what was happening? I have no idea. Just when you're in a lot of different like projects, I think, where you're like deep dive into, then just get lost sometimes. So anyways, we have now live stream number 9. Yeah, number 9. And if you're new to the live stream or to this video, I'm creating a template for an AR indoor navigation app that works on iOS and Android. And this is a live stream. I'm working on this to improve things, to show things, etc. So feel free to answer any questions. And creating this with the Vuforia engine. Or at the moment, in the future, I'll try to. I'm looking forward to also test other frameworks. At the moment, I'm testing one framework that is not public yet, and I'm looking forward to tell you later this week or later this month or next week when they're public. Then I can share a bit of insights, or I can share you the development with them. And let's see. So last time, on Discord, I have this small stream planner last week. Android build, test if one point to click works on mobile. Yes, explain points of interest list, path calculation, agent toggle, corners toggle, show nav mesh toggle. Ah, yeah, so created this settings, maybe a bit small. So created these toggle buttons in the settings where you can show your nav mesh agent, which always should be under the camera, which is like on the nav mesh. The nav mesh can actually be visualized with this green material. So now we're outside. That's so like that you can debug a bit also your environment and how well it is tracked. And then you have the path corners. The path corners, they are the corners which are part of the navigation line. Oh, this line here. This is basically the line from the nav mesh agent, and I can put it wherever I want, or I can hide it. Oh, good to know. And then this. There you go. And so this is basically just the navigation, the nav mesh agent path. And I'm showing the corners from the line renderer. Or that's the corners of the path. I'm visualizing those with a line renderer. Or not those, but the line is a line renderer. And then here I have a, where's it in the path visualizer? Here I have the line renderer. And then here I have this toggle. This is just a bit to show how things working. And yeah, so that's what we did last time, to toggle those in the settings. Too bad you cannot access settings while the navigation is running. Probably because we move up this. Okay. Well, does this take so much? Because of this, I don't have enough space here. And we don't need so much space for some information. The design I took from a project with a client, so we can improve things. But let's actually look at the plan that I had for today. I mean, there's basically a lot of stuff you can improve. AR navigation. AR state debug information with settings toggle, implementation of off-screen target, load meta ID, each stream covers and model improvement of app. So yeah, I did have a bit of road mapping last time. I just reordered them a bit, I think. So feel free, if anything you need is more important, hit me up in Discord, in the on YouTube, on LinkedIn, whatever, and I will remove it off then. A bit modular. So then we have the AR state information with settings toggle. I think that's I already did some of this in my bachelor thesis. With this old UI, and here I had like this state information that was able to be that you were able to show the state of the whole tracking. Is also shown up here. And you have the status. Status is even a word in English. State info. Is a word in English? Not that. I still don't have. I don't see the ad blocker. Sorry. Your status.
Status.
Status. And what about state? Status. And what about state? Oh, it's state. It's also state.
State.
Okay. Can use both. Okay. So yeah, I wanted to show this so people can use this. So we probably add another button here. Question is now, do we want to have the settings enabled only when Only the beginning when not navigating, also when navigating. Good question. See. Okay, so that's from last week. Did link ouch. Okay. Don't know if we go back. Question is if we can move this away for a minute. Well, if we can fit in question is if we can fit in the progress line here. Oh, please can no. What's this cube? Ready for testing. Bottom UI. Ah, here's the whole thing. No progress. Progress. Yeah, so that was the. Is this background? Ah, but it would render like this. Ah, when it would be in the middle of the line, I guess. Okay. Where's this? Where's the progress? Books. Progress slider. There we go. Okay, the question is, can we fit this into no progress like this? Box. Okay, but this is the same. It's just this one. Down here. So I have to shrink this one a bit. Huh? Or I mean, well, this was a bit destination, but Node was a bit changing. Wait, I have an idea. What if we put this text middle left? Hey, why not middle? Box. Of this. The whole thing. Let's try to fit things in here. So let's say this we only have in the beginning. And then as soon as you click a navigation, it goes away. And then would be kind of cool to have the name. Wait. Just down, so on top of it. But it's still. There. Yeah, no, let's leave it in front. So this one we have first. This one is still first, but we're not going to disable it. You need the time estimation, how long it will take. Are you there? I think so. I mean, you will be close. And if you know the meters, you can already say, okay, it's like maybe the time is less important if it's less than a minute. What I'm thinking about is to have the entrant arrival, destination arrival time here, the destination text. This one here, we have this instead of the minute. You're like working towards it, you know what I mean? Save a bit of space. I make it super minimal down here. Why not? Let's see. For this, we need to go into the slider. Remaining time text. I remove this. Oh, let's say we deactivate it. Now it's dead. Destination file. This one. Common from destination text. Oh, this one. Destination text. So this is text for the navigation UI controller. Destination text. Destination file. This is gonna be your new file. Then this one. Boom. On. Entrance. Boom. Let's see if this is centered. Now it is. Centered on purpose. Yeah, I like that. Boom. So this means there's 3 meters remaining. Okay, 2 meters. So the question is, that's interesting. What I haven't calculated in this destination calculation is actually right now if we have the kitchen. Then if you look at the line here, the line like calculated until here. Okay, so this is probably 1 meter, 1.5. We actually should subtract that because here it will already say, hey, you arrived. So actually when I'm walking here, 2 meters remaining. Let's check here. Where's our camera? Here. Where's our target? Here. Actually, oh, we have an exception here. What's the overlay? Navigation overlay. Okay, that's not coming from display agent pending request warning box. That's coming from Vuforia. Yeah, not from Vuforia. From from the package AI navigation. Request warning visible. No idea what that is. Okay. So anyway, yes, if I'm walking now here, boom. Did I touch it yet? Barely didn't. So you see, still says 2 meters remaining. That's because look at this. We have 2 meters remaining, but actually that's like 20 centimeters remaining of not even then arrived. So actually this is, yeah, and if I'm already there, it cannot even detect. That's the other, I mean, that's not a problem. But if I'm here, so actually what I need to do is track this and this distance. So this distance, I know this distance, this is fixed. The radius from my collider, so this will be this one. Yeah, so that's this one. Okay, this we need for detection. So this is one we can subtract. And then this distance to the collider. Because this can vary. There's our spare target. Let me just click it maybe. And this part here now. Oh, here, the kitchen. Collider, this collider here. Get this radius. Okay. So we can actually, it's more accurate. Here it's not showing 2 meters anymore. Okay. Back. This is to be done in the information utils. And here we can take the air camera sphere collider from the air cameras. Okay. Update estimation. I probably want to get this once. Load camera collider radius. Let's say default is 1. Okay, but we want to get it from the collider of let's just say it collider of the collider. Used to And then we have our destination. Not just destination, I mean it's obvious that it's about the current destination, so collider. Radius is subtracted from overall path length. Is this correct? I mean, you still have to. Yeah, let's do that. Because you still have to. No, because then at that place we say, okay, you arrived, so that should be accurate. Awake. Let's do this and start. And start we do. We already have the camera, right? One of the old scripts. Sorry. One of the older scripts where we still assign it. Assign it here. Now where's the path estimation utils? Here. Okay, I think. No way else we do this, so we're just gonna do camera. I just wanna see the. Are we doing this? Oops. This in awake or in start? Oh, it's in awake. This. Boom. And then. Yeah, blah blah. I mean, doesn't it know I'm streaming? Probably not. It's only in presentation mode for PowerPoint. But we don't get notification, or at least it works on Mac. I don't know if it works on Windows. Here camera game object, get component, here collider, radius, yes. Is this a float? That's a float. Okay, then we do find this. Here camera radius. Boom, like this. Void. Yeah, we know it's the difference. Okay. Average speed, yeah. I had some attempts to incorporate the velocity. Update it a bit more with average speed. That's not really necessary. So, one thing we don't have to forget is that in here we somehow measure the duration. Somewhere we have the text, right? Who's handling this text? Who's using this estimated arrival duration? Seconds. Here. Oh, the nav viewer controller does that. Okay. This we don't have to do anymore. It's not for now. Replaced by destination title. I don't have to do that anymore. Oh, we just cast it to int. Okay. The distance. So let's now so here we get the path. Oh, we only have the path. We don't have the destination, right? Oh, here. Estimate distance to position. Not sure if you should do a stop navigation in here. In the... Do this somewhere else. Let's search this global. Oh, here. Why not show it? Aha, because we didn't have it done yet. Path. Okay, why plus. Well, that means we don't have to here. Don't have to, this will be called anyways. Lots of time we don't have to do this here again. Well, this this is only during the set position. Why not do that? When we set the position here, right? B. Then or I think about doing this just here. If A and B is set, don't have to localized, but why is this blue? Oh, they're always blue. Okay. And here we just do it once. And here. Okay. And here, that's also nice. But I don't want to do this here. Yes. And this is nice. And here we know yeah. Where else this is called? Aha, this is only called here. Ah, in the okay. This is only done in the here in the UI. Okay, they were not navigating anyways. This is for the UI here. Running anyways. Here. It's just called once. I'm walking now. Is this updated? Ooh. Actually update. That doesn't update. That's not good. Reading code, man. Not good. Get distance. Just doing it once. Estimate distance. Okay. We want to do this while this is open, right? I want to update this distance. And then here I don't want any. I just want to do like this. But then here in the AR path visualizer, we actually need to handle this. So we're gonna have something like this. Gonna move this to currently navigating like this. When we're currently navigating path that is partial, then we stop it. We have a problem. We don't have a path anymore. Please return to last position, something like that. I don't know. Okay. That's better. And now then we do this. We check this all the time. And here, this we should also check while this UI is open. Let's check for partial path. Loosely. UI continuously. Like this continuously. Oh, hilarious. Whoa. Okay. And then in the list item UI, update this also continuously. Yeah, I'll do this update method. Right. And then we need a, how do we know this is open? Oh, something else. Duration text that we disabled. Remaining duration. Replace. We have the enable does not accept. Okay. Ah. You know? Okay. State. Then I lost track what I wanted to do. We want to update this list. We are walking. I wanted to check if there is a enterprise. Yes. One of the implementations for the references. Okay. Toggle destination select UI. Here we toggle it. Destination list is invisible. Okay. Deactivate it and we deactivate settings if it should be open. Okay, so here we know we're rendering it. Render list. And here call the list item data, and then here we estimate the distance. Okay, but instead of doing it here, thing is estimate distance. How does it know it is distance? Distance. Ah, mid distance to position. Okay, we give this something to do there. Okay. We call this method from here. The loop already. I mean, what happens if we toggle it off? And active. The render point just runs one time, okay. I already activated. I should select UI. It's probably the one. Yeah, that's the one. Here we have the destination select UI. That's this one, yeah. Okay, so here it's getting closed. Like we can just listen for this nav controller, if this is active or not. Okay, do this. If nav UI controller instance debug. Oh, you should select UI active self. So as long as this is active self, we estimate the distance. Boom. Although only do this if we're localized, otherwise we'll have errors. Or this will be for nothing. Actually here we can no, it will just leave it empty. Let's do this in there. Let's just say, when setting it, say distance text. That way. What does this return? Unreachable or nothing. Okay. Select itself and AR nav controller. And no, that's the AR state controller. Okay. Only for localized, and if it's active, then update the estimation. Why do you have this twice? Okay, that's just a text. Okay, that's perfect. So what this should do now is, if we go into the UI and walk around, then we should see this list updating. This list we should see updating. Yes. And so here we're not on the thing anymore, so we don't see it. This is good, and so if now one of the colliders, or yeah, so your collider will take it off, wouldn't then say unreachable? That's just 0 or nothing. Here unreachable is the distance from this, should be is on mesh. Okay, root is partial. What is partial? Path cannot reach destination. Okay. Interesting. What the... Yeah. Why is it territory -1? I mean, we are on the nav mesh, are we? Yeah, now we're on the nav mesh. Now let's move the kitchen out of. Why is it not unreachable? Delete it. Oh. Trying to, yeah, no pointer. Okay. Let's debug. We debug. Ah, it's the first time we debug in Visual Studio Code. I wonder if we can do it. I want to see the status of the path. As in Visual Studio Code, I can add. No idea how to do it in just code. In Visual Studio, you can add it to the ARs. Add it to the called to the editor session. No, not Visual Studio. Ah. We need an extension. One. Thanks, Robert. I have to download it. I've been all prompt to open it. Ah, preview. Okay. It's this one. Nope. Visual Studio Code with you. Ah. Why is this not the same? Okay. How do I see this? There's the play button in the left toolbar of the Visual Studio. This. Ah. The Unity. Ah, that's good. Okay. Let's run Unity. You see those? And then run this. Select launch config. Oops. We set a here. Enable demo for the session. Nice. Probably because we're already touched. Oh, it got confused. Okay. And how to stop this now? Are we running now? Just stop. Start. Okay. Attach to Unity. Done. Okay, it doesn't find one. Okay. Start one. We already set a debug point here, right? This is starting. Start this. Then I expect it to stop here somewhere. Well, failed. Okay. Worked once, not working again. Unity, right? Nothing else I can do, right? Open this. We started. Touch. Software using running is called a sudo in terminal. That done install monostable. Let's see if your settings generate those items. Custom tool. Yeah, it's the same. I had to run Unity in admin mode to attach debugger. Well, it worked once. Visual Studio Code in admin. No. Run and debug. Do I have to maybe not start it? Now start it? No, I don't think so. Apple as it helped me find the process info. What is this? Fetch. Is this what they used here? What? Maybe. Oh, maybe that was earlier thing. I mean, at what IP is this running? You know that? Probably localhost. Anyways, okay, so at the moment we have this. I mean, we just don't get -2, we probably get something else if destination, if we're not localized, we just return nothing. Get -2, we get unreachable. What is blah? This. I want to debug the path point status properly, but working. Yeah, so it's going this. Why? It's just either this, but we're on the path now, math mesh. So it's just returning. So and I would wonder debug. Object, how to string define object. Okay. Right. Path corners, those would be interesting. I promised to do this for here. It's returning the distance. Let's see, I don't want to know it here. Okay, so right now we have the kitchen here. If you turn it away, boom. Path invalid. Ooh. That's a new state. Path complete, partial, invalid. Path cannot reach destination. Okay, good to know. Or mesh status. Path invalid. Okay. Write safer software. And this we also need here. Yeah, so if it's partial and or invalid, then we stop. Ooh, but that means also, yeah, that means also, like, if we go out of the scene, yeah, I mean, at any point where it's not valid anymore, it will stop. Could be a bit risky, but I'll show you what I mean. For example, if we move the phone on here, let's see, out of this, yeah, I mean, that's be expected, right? So yeah, that's actually really good. When you have a feedback that the root cannot be calculated anymore. So I'm not do it like this and then kitchen. Move it out of the way. Boom, unreachable. unreachable. Probably the text is more too small there. Let's put the prefab by blacklist item. Let's see. Unreachable. Just crop it or what? Size. Well, can we do it a bit larger? How big is the text? Text can be huge. Yes. It's right. Okay. See. Otherwise it's just 30. Okay, same max 30. Just it. Not. Okay. And then we pull it offside. Boom, unreachable. Very good. Yeah. Okay. So that's a bit more reactive. This is safer. Boom. Path visualizer. It's still not what we what we wanted actually to do. Okay. Update. Right. Right. Is checking for German words. Button. Probably because I'm German here. Checking distance for okay, then actually what I wanted to do is here I'm gonna have estimated duration So now what we actually want to do is reduce the time. Reduce the time here. That estimation utils, not in this one. This one is used only in the UI. Here. It's just returning it, right? Yep. So here we're gonna update estimation. Here we're gonna get the path. That's the problem bit. You only get the path. Update the estimation and we give the corners. But I mean here the remaining distance. Remaining path total. Distance. What's the starting distance? Ah, that's when you're calculating with press. As soon as you started. Oh yeah, sure. You need to start and then. Yeah. Current distance, progress slider. Current distance. So. Remaining path total. Minus. Camera collider radius. Camera collider radius minus it here. We need the destination. Problem is this we're gonna call so often. We also can update this a bit less often, right? You'll need to this every frame. Because I mean this is called every frame. Update every frame, so maybe every 10th of a second you also can update the estimation. Then here it's a bit ugly, but let's do it like this. Enough. So we get the sphere collider. And then radius. Boom. Don't need this up here. Okay, let's see. So the total reduce with the camera collider and the destination collider. See how this updates. So it's 4 meters, so we're marking. Oh yeah, it's a bit. And then it's a bit. Not so smooth anymore. Because we only do this every 10th of a second. Would be cool if you have to don't have to get the collider all the time. Only do this for the first. For now, we leave it like this. That animation. We could do it in the. Maybe we could do it here. No, it's not. We need to set the destination? No. Just do it here on the first time. Changed. Oh, here, reset it. Oh, yeah, we do. When is this called? Ever. So let's call this here in the app controller. It was already here. Okay. Question is, do we want the destination here or the distance only? Come on, let's get rid of this stuff. I'm not gonna do this anyways. Mission started. Started. Default velocity. Yes, this we need. Not this. the destination collider radius, we could call we could have the we store the destination here and we set it, edit the we ask here in the estimation if destination no, then we go get it. Controller. This. And then when we get it, then we say destination collide radius component here collider we get it once. So here we set it, and also here when we reset it. Set it distance meters, okay. Now we have to do it only once. That's actually ugly. Yeah, what is this path? Okay. Why ever need? I don't understand why I would need it here. We need it here. Just use it here internally. Need something else? No. Okay. Let's see. There's no, yeah, of course, because it's not on the your collider, it's on here? Nation. We collider. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. Nice. Why is it now unreachable? We are not on an F mesh. Unreachable. Can we start it? Yeah. 2 meters. That's a bit ugly where it's showing it to, not to the sign, but that's probably because of the collider. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, that's it. Color reset. Yeah, of course, we want to reset when we stop. Oh yeah, does that work? With the new, yeah, we need to check if it's working with the new then. Second, we have the, we're showing better, 0 meters, yeah. That's less than 1. Maybe you should leave the 1 meter. Do we have a float? I don't know. I think that's fine. This is really filling up. That's nice. So actual distance. Oh, that still was not what I actually planned, but yeah. So what we did is, yeah, I'm gonna close the stream here because if I'm always gonna do what I actually want, I always will take longer streams, and somebody also need to go to that. So what I actually did is now stated I moved down this bar down here. We'll fix this in the next stream. But this will be not like this, that we will only have the one on the bottom. No progress. This one, boom. We have a little bit. Oh, do we need this? Do it like this, right? Yeah, why not? Get rid of the background. And then so we started to work on this, and then I realized it would be nice to have those updated while you're walking. And so this was improved, and also the distance. So if I'm walking Yeah, so this should also be improved when I'm walking now. Ooh, this is not updated. I'm moving more away than moving closer. Only update when I'm reaching the initial position. This is something that can be improved. Maybe that's a quick fix because this is done here. Well, the first one mission started, not started, then the starting distance, the remaining distance. Or if the remaining distance bigger than the starting distance. Right, tell me when I reset it. That could be the quick fix. See. So we have 4 meters, we move closer, and we move away. Okay, we have bad example. Let's go like this. Pitch, and we have 2 meters or 0. Go move away. We have 4, 5 meters. Yeah, like this. We have the office. Move away. 3 meters. Then starting again from 3 meters. Yeah. So we did some updates on the path estimation. The remaining distance. The word of the night, Newsly. Still don't know if I write it correctly. Oh, that's correct. Update, whatever. Okay. So that means in next stream. Let's see. We didn't do this. Dated. Path. Approved. Oh, how can I show emojis here? Where? Yeah, I'm gonna do this next time. And next week, in a week will be the need a calendar view somewhere. Here. Second. Finish moving. Okay. that's for that. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and if any questions, let me know. I'm super fried right now. Okay, you.